times lahat. No, 5.
5. Ito mag 8. Diyos ko, ano yung every week? Hindi mo siya.
Sorry, mama.
Si Kelly wala na.
Halika na. Tana, let's.
Hey, let's us lang.
Sige. Get you na. Okay.
Ano ba yan? Gilan. You turn around. We believe in you. There's a ribbon in your hair. Just one away. Just one away. Just one away. I'm walking away. The 6 will get experience.
Alam mo, direct super overwhelmed ako.
Bakit?
Kasi diba, sabi mo lahat, sinusulat ko, lahat planado. Ang prediction ko kasi hindi ako kasali sa top 6, parang pinakamalapit ko na top 7. Kaya the whole time, nag-float ako. Until ngayon, parang lagi akong gumagalaw.
Okay.
Yes.
Hindi mapaniwala.
Well, ang dami mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin pinaplano. Okay? Halika. Pero pag nangyayari. Okay? Si Boogie Wonderland. Boogie!
Jensen, baby.
But because of what you've done.
Ano? Ikaw
Kami si Poy nung bait-bait niya, no?
Sobra. Nakakatuwa. Mami Poy. We miss you.
Malalaglag ako.
Oh, my guest.
Wala ulit ko ng drop. Wave tossed in the ocean. Nag-uunahan pag... Huwag mo ano. So you let go.
Palit yung klase. May mga pili ko palit yung klase.
Miguel, dito ako. Ito pa may sabi.
Hello, malaki ako
ngayon. Parang wala na ko. Parang...
Okay, guys. So as I said, now you are 7 and by next week you shall be 6 and that will be the final 6. Okay, for the final 6, there will be so many big changes that's going to happen in terms of what will happen inside dito sa academy. Nangangahulugan na ngayon, habang 7 pa kayo, sige, tuloy ang laro. Pero, pagdating ng final 6, medyo mag-iibang equations, iba na yung uri ng training na ibibigay sa inyo. For one thing, na-realize na ang kailangan pa nating dapat i-hone yung performance level ninyo pagpunta nyo on stage. Not that hindi kayo nag-improve, not that kulang kayo sa... Not that walang improvement from the time you started, but then there could still be so much more that can be done. Okay? Now, I will divide, our session. Hi, Teacher Monet. Okay. I will divide this session today into, again, 3 parts. The first part is let us assess what happened last Saturday. Okay. The second part, after assessing what happened last Saturday, is where do we intend to go? Okay. How do we proceed with the next phase of the battle? And then, lastly, let's deal with your songs.
Yes.
Okay. Let's deal with your songs so that we can find out how we can get everybody's opinion and then how we can hone. Okay, kung ano, hindi lamang yung pinili ninyong kanta, kundi papaano i-render yung mga kantang yon pagdating sa performance level. O simulan na natin muna ang general perspective natin ng Sabado. Maganda kung maganda yung show. Okay? Maganda kung maganda yung show. It wasn't the best of our shows, but it was a good show. It was one of the better shows. I still think we still have to top the trios and the showdown. Okay, because those were the best. Okay, the trios were real. That's when we were really soaring, and then when you were having the one-to-one showdown. Okay, that was when everybody was generally very good. But now, naitaas natin yung antas ng level ng performance because yun naman talaga ang plano ng academy para sa inyo. Yung makaduet ninyo ang mga profesional. At makikita natin, dahil nga sa duetong ito, ang dami yung learning experience na nalaman maliban sa pagiging starstruck. Okay? Alam ninyo na yung mga professional na yan, alam na at secure na sa kanilang mga kinalalagyan, kaya hindi nila deliberately sinapawang kayo. Dahil kung gusto nila kayong sapawan, ang dali-dali ninyong sapawan. Dahil sila ay mga masters na ng entablado. Pero bilang mga professional, sila ang nagbigay ng maging equal ang exposure, kundi man i-highlight kayo. I think